Hey everyone, welcome back. I am officially back from vacation. However, I brought a little bit of vacation with me with the Glass Tide. So for this cocktail, we are going to be using our shaker tin. So make sure you have that, a jigger for accurate measurement. You will be using fresh lime juice. So make sure you have your hawthorn and your mesh strainer. So this is going to go in a coupe as well. So make sure you have the coupes. And we have our fresh lime juice. I know it looks really sad, but there's lime juice in there. We've got pineapple juice, apricot liqueur, and then a coconut rum of your choosing. As always, the ingredient list is going to be listed down below. That way you can build the cocktail right along with me. Okay, we're going to start with 0.25 ounces of our fresh lime juice. Then we are going to do 0.75 ounces of our pineapple juice, 0.75 ounces of our apricot liqueur, and then 2 full ounces of our coconut rum. If I could get it to pour correctly. I'm having issues. It's a day. It's been a day. And then as always, we are going to fill our shaker tin up to the top, and we are going to shake for about 15 to 20 seconds or until ice cold in our hands. Big scoopy. Still not a big enough bowl. It is what it is.
The bowl's huge.
It says a mini bowl. Midi bowl. Ooh, I'm a little out of practice. My arm was getting tired.
Vacation for a week.
Oh, I know. All right, so we've got our hawthorn strainer and our mesh strainer, and we are going to go straight in to our coupe glass. Gorgeous. All right, and because this is called the Glass Tide, she needs no garnish. And there she is. Let me give it a quick taste here, because it's been a day and I have deserved this all day. Ugh, so delicious. You get pineapple right at the forefront, and then that apricot comes in like right behind. It is so delicious. If you're gonna get in trouble with a cocktail, it's gonna be this one. Of course, guys, if you enjoy all of the cocktails that I'm making here, seeing my beautiful face every day, I mean, that's just a given. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you're sharing with your friends. Let me know if you're making the cocktails. If you are, take some pictures. Send them my way. I love that kind of stuff. Until the next pour, cheers!